Greetings!
Hi!
From the Disneyland Hotel. Yes, I'm wearing a robe.
You look dapper.
I wanted to show off that there's a robe included in the room.
It's nice.
However, we are here, obviously, at the Disneyland Hotel here at Disneyland in Anaheim, California. And we're here today, as you probably know, based on the title, to show you our accommodations here at the Disneyland Hotel. We are in a standard view room, but actually, they didn't tell us this at the check-in, but we have been able to determine that we are in a little bit of a special room because we are on a corner. So we have an additional window space, which we'll be sure to show you. And also a very unique entry to the room.
We'll show you. It's kind of weird, but kind of fun.
Yeah. So we hope you'll join along as we show you what kind of accommodations and stylizations you can find here at the Disneyland Hotel.
Disneyland Hotel.
Magic. Alright, we are on the 5th floor of Frontier Tower. 3 towers here at Disneyland Hotel. Fantasy, Adventure, and Frontier. So, Frontier, like I mentioned, we are at 2369. And just on the placard, you can see like the riverboat and stuff, so that's pretty cool. But this is what I talked about with the unique entry. You see both room numbers, 2368 and 69, listed here with the one door. So then you would come up, put your room key in, it's gonna light up green. Hey-o! And then you just end up in this little room.
You have like a little pre-room courtyard.
Yeah, we have no idea what purpose this serves, but there you go. That closes back. If you're in 68, you go this way. 69 is where we're at, so we're gonna go in here.
It's like you said, it kind of seems like almost like at one point this was, like these two rooms were connected and it made one huge room and they decided to split it.
Then I don't know why they didn't just take those doors out, but here we are. So coming in, you can see standard, as always, Disney back of door, evacuation plan, peephole, deadbolt lock, and swing lock, as well with your room occupied hanger there. And light switch, this is for the light up above there. And immediately on your right, the closet with double sliding door. This one is a lot smaller than the one that we just had last night at Paradise Pier, which we'll link to that room tour as well, so you can get an idea of the difference. But still plenty big. We do have our hangers, ironing board. We have a shelf up top with extra linens. We'll show you why in just a second. And of course the hanging rack. And then on the other side, more hanging space with our laundry bag, our safe just built into the wall, so just a wall safe, and then a luggage rack holder right there.
With my suitcase.
Hey-o! Turning back to the other side, we'll see this light switch here, which is for actually up above the TV. So, kind of interesting. That's there. Coming into the bathroom, continuing with our Frontier theme, we see what looks like an old western town. Turning around here, though, we do have our sink area with mirror and these interesting hands.
Mickey's giving us a hand.
It's the mixer. We can see the 3 black lines kind of right there. Holding up lamps that feature his head design on them. Mickey's self-promoting. I
will say though, these bathrooms aren't like stupendously lit.
No.
Just like in terms of like getting ready.
We have a light switch here, which controls the big Mickey lamps. Our hand towel rack. Soap dish with soap, and then our other dish here with the shower cap and the shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and body wash. Tissues built into the little vanity thing here, and then there's a shelf down below. Garbage can, and a makeup mirror that does not light up, so that just contributes to the...
It does magnify though.
Yep.
You know what I just noticed too with this mirror? It kind of looks like it's stylized like the way that the Disneyland D is.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Got those points to it. We have several outlets here though, GFI. 4 outlets in total for you to plug in if you do decide to use this area to get ready. Now we have a separate door for the toilet and tub shower area with a full-length mirror to show off your fancy Disneyland Hotel robe. And we come inside, toilet. A nice wallpaper design here. 2 light switches, one for the shower, and one for the other light that has Mickey's on it as well. And as you can see here, this actually does have like a night light built in, so easy to find in the dark. Additional towels on the shelf here. We do have a hanging rack right next to the shower curtain. And then, you know, we have our standard shower, except who's that on the little handle? Mickey strikes again. And oh, it actually has cold and hot written in the Disney font. Some tile work that matches the rest of the color and a hanging line that comes across and connects on the other side there. Little handle in case you need to stabilize yourself. Soap dish, facial soap right there.
There's actually a lot of room in this bathroom.
It's pretty big floor space here. Now let's get to the rest of the room here. Come inside and around the corner, find our thermostat on the wall, as well as some nice boat artwork. Continuing the frontier theme, a little sitting area. But then on this side here, we do have our TV, which does come out from the unit and turn, swivel, pivot, all that stuff. And then down below we have a DVD CD player combo. It also looks like there's a USB plug in there as well. Now down below that we have our coffee/tea area with our Cuisinart little package maker machine. We have the Joffreys and the Twinings tea and accoutrement. Disposable cups, so everything you need right there. And then next to that, the ice bucket, glasses, and Disneyland Hotel coasters. Further down, we have this big door that opens up to our mini refrigerator. Inside here, pretty standard mini fridge, pumping away in there. And 3 pull-out drawers. These actually slide really well. And have deep and have nice handles on them. Turning to this side, we have this mirror, which also kind of continues like the Disney-esque theme.
There's lots of like swirly, loopy things in here. Like here, like swirly.
Yeah.
Swirly.
That continues.
Swirly.
Then we have another hidden Mickey inside the desk lamp there. So we have our desk here, 3 standard plugs as well as a phone jack and a drawer. Pull out with the Orange County book in it.
Orange County.
Slides right out with our chair, trash can right next to it.
Look how nice this little binder is.
Yeah, directory of services.
What's cool is that they have stuff that's Disneyland specific, but they also have stuff that's park specific. So here is the room service for Disneyland Hotel.
So let's just take a look at that real quick. Breakfast 5 to 11. All day dining, but it's not all day.
Oh, well this one goes to 1 a.m. Every day, whereas the Paradise Pier one only went to 1 a.m. on Fridays and Saturdays.
Wow. And then dinner, which is available from 5 to 10 specifically. Oof, those prices. Dessert after 11 a.m. only.
Drinks.
Wine and beer.
And lagers.
Spirits. Stallion of the Cimarron.
But yeah, if you go through the rest of it, it tells also like just, oh, here's restaurants on property at all the resorts or at the theme parks, and then just like, I guess, kind of recommendations of attractions and services and stuff like that. So it's nice. It's a nice, I like all the old style pictures. It's neat.
Turning around, we do have our nice big long couch with circular pillow. And as you see, this little placard here that says Disneyland Hotel. Whew, get rid of that pillow. This is a little fold down. You grab this, flip it just like that.
Hello.
Super simple. There's your day bed. And then when you're done with it, yeah, take it back up, and there we go.
Yeah, not bad.
Nice chair, sitting area here with a nice big floor lamp. So this area of the room is better lit than others. There is also an outlet hidden back here where the lamp is plugged in.
Yes.
Then turning around to this side, this is our bed. So we have nightstands on either side with lamps on either side, and then a little alarm clock that has 2 USB ports on it. We have a drawer for each of the nightstands as well as a shelf down below. We see the nice, fun, this is almost like fireworks. Little cover here. And of course the pillow. A dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. That's not how the song goes, but that's okay. Then over on this side we have our phone, telephone, internet information, another drawer and shelf down there as well.
I don't see any plugs or USBs on this side.
Ah,
so
something to keep in mind. Oh, and we should make mention, this is the king bedroom. So they do have, I think you can get 2 queens as well.
Yes.
But this is the king bed.
This is a king standard room.
Yes. And of course we have our headboard with the castle, Disneyland castle.
Gorgeous.
Carved out. Now, we mentioned this room is a little bit different because we showed you the entry, but now you see big picture windows out that side and this side because we are in this corner room. So double, and you do have your little thin day shears as well as your blackout curtains all the way on both sides. It's a standard view, so that means, you know, view of the parking lot, but I mean, this side's more of a parking lot. We get the trees though. That's Paradise Pier where we stayed last night. But if you come to this side, yeah, there's another parking lot over there. But we also have a lot of trees, a lot of green space. You can see Paradise Pier. You can see Grand Californian across right over there. And this is also the balcony. So let's come out here because this is a large balcony.
Yeah.
Two chairs, table. I mean, look at this. I'm all the way over here and you're all the way over there.
I can't see you over there.
I'm wearing a robe.
Oh, I see you now.
But now we can see, and see, this is cool because even though we're just in a standard view, you can actually see, I think that's the top of the Zephyrs over at California Adventure, so you can see a little bit into there, not a ton. But if you come this way, this is that's Adventure Tower for the Disneyland Hotel, and then that's actually downtown Disney that you can see right there. And one of our favorite things, oh, I actually see mountains that I didn't see before. If we zoom in,
California.
yeah,
oh my God.
See them there above the
Yes?
Grand Californian mountains. Speaking of mountains, if you come to this palm tree here, and in between those two palm trees there, where the pink flowers are, and you go straight up and look really close, you maybe can see the Matterhorn. Right there. It's a little hard to tell that's what it is, but that's what it is. I do believe there's one more thing to show.
The best thing.
After you, I'll let you do the honors. Dun, da da dun, da da dun, 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 dun. On that lamp, hit that button with Tinkerbell on it, and...
Is that not the most magical thing you've ever seen?
Can you hear the music box? See? Tink's right there. Yay! Fireworks on the headboard!
I love this. This is like this will make you cry. It's so special.
That is awesome.
I love this.
And of course, these three fireworks over here might look kind of familiar.
Even if you didn't, which I love the rest of the room, but even if you didn't love the rest of the room, like, this makes it worth it.
That kind of just seals it right there.
It just, I don't know. This is like the stuff you want at Disney, and it's so perfect.
All right, friends, hopefully you have enjoyed this tour of our accommodations king room, standard view, here at the Disneyland Hotel.
In California.
In California. We know we've enjoyed showing it to you. We're in love with this room. It's awesome.
Oh my gosh, I'm so glad we're staying here multiple nights.
Yeah.
Because we were at Paradise Pier for one night, and it's like, oh, okay, like I'm cool moving on and going to Disneyland Hotel, but like now I'm glad we're not just one night here. I'm glad we have time to take it in and enjoy it and everything, because I'm really enjoying it.
And if you are booking a standard view king size bed room at Disneyland Hotel, you might want to request this room number or one of the other ones, you know, up above or below this, because this corner room with the double windows is awesome.
Yeah, I really like it.
But everyone will get the super awesome headboard down below. So if you're thinking you would like to come stay here at the Disneyland Hotel, we can help make that happen for you as travel agents. Our services are always complimentary, so if you are interested in booking a trip to the Disneyland Resort, we can do that for you. Please feel free to reach out via our travel agent information at the end of this video. If you have a question about anything or you'd just like to discuss something further, please leave a comment down below. We try to respond to those as quickly as we can. Once again, we hope you have enjoyed this tour. We've enjoyed giving it to you, and we're definitely enjoying our room and our trip to Disneyland. So we hope we will see you next time. Stay tuned for the rest of the Disneyland content that's coming. And in the meantime, happy travels! Dee 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 dee.
Magic.